How to read specific lines from a file, by line number? I'm using a for loop to read a file, but I only want to read specific lines, say line number 26 and number 30. Is there any built-in feature to achieve this?
If the file to read is big, and you don't want to read the whole file in memory at once, note that I == and 1 for the nth line. In Python 2.6 or later.
The quick answer. Or. There is a more elegant solution for extracting many lines, Linecache, courtesy of Python. How to jump to a particular line in a huge text file? A previous StackOverflow.com question. Quoting the Python documentation linked above. Change the 4 to your desired line number, and you're on. Note that 4 would bring the 5th line as the count is 0-based. If the file might be very large, and cause problems when read into memory, it might be a good idea to take at Alok's advice and use enumerate. To conclude, use FiliObject.readlines, or, for line in FiliObject, as a quick solution for small files. Use Linecache for a more elegant solution, which will be quite fast for reading many files, possible repeatedly. Take it Alok's advice and use enumerate for files which could be very large, and won't fit into memory. Note that using this method might slow because the file is read sequentially.
For the sake of offering another solution, I hope this is quick and easy. Smile.
A fast and compact approach could be: this accepts any open file like Object.def file, leaving up to the caller whether it should be opened from a disk file, or via e.g. a socket, or other file like stream, and a set of 0-based line indices whatlines, and returns a list, with low memory footprint and reasonable speed. If the number of lines to be returned is huge, you might prefer a generator, which is basically only good for looping upon. Note that the only difference comes from using rounded rather than square parentheses in the return statement, making a list comprehension, and a generator expression respectively. Further note that despite the mention of lines and file, these functions are much more general. They'll work on any iterable, be it an open file or any other, returning a list or generator of items based on their progressive item numbers. So, I'd suggest using more appropriately general names.
Okay.